people are written in the Lamb's Book of Life.
Dalaga, ito ba yun?
So, let's go to the quotation. There is. Quotation, Sister. So, and the seven seals that we're trying to speak of when I count this time is the seven written seal. Written seal, no? Written seal. This written seal is not been revealed. And these seven seals, as you know, is just the manifestation of the seven angel of the seven churches. Who is the angel of the seven churches? The seven men.
Seven-star messenger.
The seven men. But there are seven other seals that on the back side of the book. That's outside the Bible.
Yes.
Outside the Bible. This outside the Bible is not written in the book.
Yes.
No. We'll get to it in a moment. Now, before I start this, you are tired. You are tired. Just dig it. What do you call this? In this last days, it started to digging now. What is digging now? So now, listen close. The seventh angel, please get up. This, now listen closely. Close. The seventh angel of Revelation 7 is the seventh church age messenger. Now watch. In the days, these seven other seals revealed only when the seventh angel will come. No? See, Revelation 7 quoted by the prophet. So, but in the days of the voice of the seventh angel, when he shall begin to sound, the mystery in the backside will be revealed in his time. In the days of the voice. In the days of the voice. It is not another seal. But if this another seal is not written in the book. Take note, according to Brother Alex, these 14 seals revealed only with the time of Dr. Bruce. No? He read this 14 seals, but Brother Branham speak about this. Speak about the manifestation of the seventh angel, and this seven seals written in another book is not written in the book. It is the revelation with the time of the voice of the seventh angel. Amen. So now, sounding forth. This messenger, the seventh angel here, is sounding forth his message to the Laodicean church. Notice his type of message now. I wasn't the first angel, I was given that second angel. So that is the manifestation. Brother Branham pointing out the seventh angel manifestation of the seven church ages. But this another side of the book, sealed with seven seals. It is the revelation pointing out with the prophet. Amen. So that is another, but this what we call this revelation is only known to those whose name written in the book, in the Lamb's Book of Life. According to Father Lito presentation, this messenger, the star messengers, when he died, he was in the sixth dimension, which is the paradise. So he was in the paradise, and these people he didn't know the revelation. He was in hell, right? He was in hell because his name was not written in the Lamb's Book of Life. Living on borrowed time.
Amen.